Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Bobby in Oklahoma on this Connex 3300 HP. Bobby got it all ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment. We wide-banded the transmit, wide-banded the receive, electrolytic capacitor upgrades. You notice here you've got a dual control knob now here for echo. That's because we pulled out the old echo, put in the updated one, and it will now pass some more wider band transmit and pass some more lows and mids. So what we did right here is you wanted a dial-a-watt RF power control. We put it right here. Okay, so this controls your carrier level. So then we had this echo knob. We made that a talk back on and off.
1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4.
Flip it off. 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, so let's get right to it. We'll roll the RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug. It's about 1/4 of a watt. That's 6 watts all the way up. 50-watt slug. I'm gonna show you average power. Hello, 15 bird of average power. Peak power. Hello, and about 38 peak. Alright, Bobby, it's ready to come back to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.